Welcome to the Ultimate Would You Rather Challenge. Today, you'll be building your fantasy dream house one choice at a time. From bedrooms to pools, from secret tunnels to futuristic gadgets, it's all up to you. So grab your imagination and let's start building your ultimate home of dreams. Which bedroom would you rather sleep in? Cozy dreams or futuristic vibes, your choice. Pick your ultimate toilet style. Flush away your worries in style. Which toilet paper roll is going in your house? Soft, silly, or sci-fi? What's your vibe? Choose your dream bathtub. Bubble heaven or neon splash? Which soap will sit in your house? Clean hands, happy home. Pick the doorbell for your fantasy home. Ding dong, who's at the door? Which pet would you rather have? Fluffy cuteness or futuristic robo-pal? Choose your dream ride. Fast wheels or floating cars, what's cooler? Which pool is making a splash in your backyard? Relaxation or ultimate pool party? Find the odd one out. Great! Which stairway would you climb every day? Elegant steps or a sci-fi float? Choose your favorite game for the house. Playtime never ends in your dream home. Pick your dream TV setup. Movie night just got epic. Pick your fantasy playground. Where fun never ends. Select your ultimate elevator. Up, up, and away in style. Pick the fireplace for your cozy nights. Warmth, glow, or futuristic flames. Choose your coffee machine. Morning magic starts here. Which kitchen belongs in your house? Cooking dreams or robot chef? Pick your dream garden. Flowers, fantasy, or glowing neon? Find the odd one out. Awesome! Which dream car is yours? Speed, smiles, or sci-fi style? Pick the pathway to your fantasy home. Every step feels magical. Use your chandelier. Shine bright like your dream house. Which rug would you rather walk on? Soft, silly, or glowing, pick your vibe. Select your front yard. First impressions start here. Which garage are you parking in? The cars need a cozy home too. Pick your tissue box style. Even sneezes can be fancy. Which sink will you wash up in? Splash your way in style. Choose your favorite squishy toy. Stress relief has never been this fun. Which slippers are you wearing at home? Comfort starts from the floor up. Pick your ultimate balcony view. sunsets, or sci-fi skylines? Which dream library is yours? Books or holograms, what will you read? Choose your hidden room. Secrets make homes magical. Pick your walk-in closet. Fashion goals unlocked. Which mirror is on your wall? Who's the fairest in your dream house? Choose your dining table style. Every meal feels like a feast. Pick your gaming room setup. Level up your fun zone. Select your dream shower style. Refresh, recharge, repeat. Which laundry room is yours? Even chores feel fun here. Choose your home lighting design. Set the mood, set the vibe. Which sofa set will you relax on? Cuddle up or glow up, it's your call. Pick the wall art for your dream house. Your walls deserve personality. Choose your aquarium style. Fishy friends or neon glow? Pick your backyard treehouse. Adventure starts here. Which cellar will you add? Juice or wine, it's all divine. Choose your study desk. Work smart, dream big. Pick your smart home gadget. future tech at your fingertips. Select your rooftop lounge. The view from the top is always the best. Which music system will rock your home? Turn up the volume on your dream life. Choose your secret tunnel or slide. The coolest shortcut ever! Wow, your dream house is finally complete. Did you go cozy, colorful, or full-on futuristic? Drop your answers in the comments. I'd love to see your ultimate house design. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more fun quizzes every week. See you in the next challenge.